Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today we're talking about how you can use your drone as a 3-axis gimbal. The first thing that you're going to want to do is set up your drone. And what you're going to need is your drone without the propellers, the remote controller, a long cable that can connect to your phone, a phone mount, double-sided sticky tape, and a small backpack. These will all aid you in getting the smooth shots. The next thing that you want to do is set up your drone. And to start out, you're going to want to put your phone in the phone mount and attach it to the top of your drone. Then you're going to want to bind the drone and the remote controller and put the remote controller in the backpack. The last thing that you're going to want to do is plug in both your phone and the controller to each other using the long cable, and this will allow you to see what the drone is seeing through your phone. To use this setup, basically what you're going to want to do is hold your drone in a place that won't impede the 3-axis gimbal. On my drone, I hold it on the back of the legs, but on your drone it might be different, so you'll need to work out and figure out where to hold it. When using the drone as a gimbal, you're going to want to use a smooth walk, and this is sort of a heel-to-toe walk that will smooth out a lot of the bumps and jolts that might get picked up by your drone as you're walking. The kind of shots that you can get are pretty unlimited, but you're going to want to make sure you don't harm the 3-axis gimbal with any of the turns that you're doing. I also wouldn't recommend running too hard or too fast with your drone, as it's not really built up to a lot of jolting. A tool that you can use is drone ND filters. If you have a pretty popular drone like a DJI drone, you might be able to find ND filters for it, and this will help you get a more cinematic look from your drone. The last thing to worry about when using your drone as a 3-axis gimbal is setting up the gimbal settings, and this involves how smooth or fast the gimbal is moving. I have a video already made about how to set up gimbal settings, and in that video I go into settings for using your drone as a handheld gimbal. I'll link it right here. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.